Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about, Tony? Let's go to work. Hey, number 2, manual trans, got a stick. You're welcome to come out and sneak a peek if you like. Got a 03 Ford Focus. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 91K. Got cold AC, cold 75. All in, all done. Last call. Sold 650. Where to go? Let's go. 01 Chevy Tahoe number 4. It is what it is. Got damage on this side. It's a project car. Got a few miles. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Come check it out. But the project, button it up, Tony. Out of the big 350 now. We're going to go 375. All in, all done. Last call. Going. Sold 350, 901. Put it on the money now. We're going to go. Let's go. Number 2 1/4 now. We're going to go 50. Last call. 2 1/4 now. We're going to go 50. Sold 2 1/4, 901. Wait till you see this next car coming up. Let's have a round of applause for a blast from the past. You got to come out and look at this car. 81,000 miles. Is that in park, George? George, that baby's clean inside. Call, sold 1150. Sold 1150. Number 8. Is that, I didn't see you there at first. Good seeing you. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Car number 8. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 2000 Ford Focus. 1,050. Sold 1,050 downstairs to the left. $2 1/4 now. We're going to go 50. Anybody need the parts, the project? Sold $2 1/4, 901. Next car. 03 Nissan out. Got some miles on it, but still running. What's the window say, Vinny? Oh, okay. It does have a blown head gasket. Repeat. Blown head gasket. So it's a project car. Sold 275, 901. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here now? What are you thinking about here? On the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 2013. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go, let's go now. We're going to go 2013 Kia. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go, let's go. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go, let's go. Got some miles on it. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Car number 10. Car number 10. Got a little tequila kid on. Last call. Sold 775. Sold 775. Get out. Next car. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Car number 9. Got a 90. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 97 Toyota Avalon. Sold 375. 9. Car number 9. Car number 13. It's a full moon car. So get your hands in the air. 75, 1450 now. We're going to go 75. You stole it. Sold 1450. Sold 1450. Huh? 11,000 miles. Been 25.50. Go fishing tomorrow. 25. Now we're going to go 475. All in, all done. Last call. Sold. 450. Two boat and the flat trailer. We're selling them all as one money. 550 now. We're going to go 575. Last call. Sold 550. Number 15 Beamer. Come check out the Beamer. Everybody wants a Beamer. $2,700. Number 117. Hey, 41,000 miles. Come look inside this car. You got it. Sold 2750. Got it. That's a clean car. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Car number 17. How much was it? Sold 325. You got it. Did you get it? Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? All in, all done. Last call. 1 1/4 now. We're going to go 50. So 125. Car number 18. $97 to go. Actress CL stick shift. Put it on the money now. We're going to go thinking about 200 now. We're going to go 2 1/4. Last call. 275 now. We're going to go 3. So 275. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go. Now we're going to go quarter. All in, all done. Last call. So $5,400 to the left. It's nice when the public finds a car that they came out for. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 06 now. We're going to go Chevrolet Malibu. 1550 now. We're going to go 1575. Last call. So 1550. Rebuilt title. Walk around the car. Got a little sunburn on the paint. Come check it out. It's still a Honda. 75 now. We're going to go 5. Last call. So 475. Low compression.
That's so funny. Everybody came for the Portsmouth, don't even run. That's so funny, dog.
04 Porsche Cayenne low compression. All in, all done. Last call. So $1,200. Number 22. $1,200. 106. You get it?
$1,200.
Put it on the money. Hey, going fishing on this next car. Look at this. Selling the car behind you. A little bit 29 now. We're going to go 50. All in, all done. Last call. So $2,900. You got it. 7-4. A little bit. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 04 Audi 849. Last call. So $875. '02 Saturn S Series. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Cold AC. Call. 550 now. We're going to go 575. So 550. 25. Next car. Car number 26. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go 3 Jones. Now we're going to go quarter. All in, all done. Good job down below. So $1,000. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Last call. So 2025. About now, where to go? Let's go. A little bit. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go. A little bit. Put it on. No key. 93s. Buy it the way it sits. Quarters now. Where to go? 50. Hip. Got it at 775. 775. Got it at 800. 8 1/4. 850. 850. 850. 850.
Look at that full moon right there.
Hey, it's Friday the 13th. I wish you all luck driving home. We're going to go 50. All in, all done. So, 425. Put it on the money now. What do you think?
It will not be a full moon.
That's This is, listen up. Star of the show, it is a stick shift, but come out and look at this truck. Four-wheel drive, 118, V6. Is it the 4.0? 275. All in, all done. Last call. So 3250. 108. 108, 3250. 108, 3250. Did you get it? Car number 32, 08 Hyundai Entourage. Cold AC. Look inside, it needs a little TLC inside. Take a look inside. 75, a little bit 850 now, we're going to go 875. All in, all done. Last call, selling the car. 850. Sold, 850. Number. Listen up, we're giving away $100. Who wants to win $100? We're giving away $100 at the is September 27th. Toyota. Now we're gonna go 3 1/4. You want it? Yes or no? Sold, $300, 901. Hey, it's Friday the 13th. Be very safe driving home. Last car of the sale. Number 33, 82 Ford Econoline. Now we're going to go 275. All in, all done. You're going to get it. Last call. Last call. Sold, 275. Sir?